The city may be safe right now, but what happened? Oh, good. You're not dead.
That's his way of saying...
Right. Sorry. We'd all be dead if it weren't for you. But we need a plan. Jack's getting closer and closer to digging up the warrior, and we still don't know where he's got the vault key stashed.
I can help you with that.
You? Damn it, we told you never to contact us again.
Will you please just hear me out?
Sure, let's listen to the crazy computer that just tried to kill us. Hey, remember that time she told us the vault was full of loot?
It's with me. I'm charging the vault key.
Continue.
The key naturally charges itself once every 200 years. Jack is patient, but he's not that patient. He's been using my power to forcibly charge the key with iridium. If you find me, you find the vault key. The vault key is housed in my AI control core atop Thousand Cuts. It's protected by 3 impassable security hurdles. The first is a competitor deterrence field that will obliterate any non-Hyperion entity passing through it.
Competitor deterrence field? What, like a death wall?
It is a field of pure thermosonic energy programmed to atomize any unauthorized personnel.
So yeah, a death wall.
Beyond that lies the second hurdle, a defense bunker outfitted with the most high-tech weaponry Hyperion can afford.
That doesn't sound good.
Past the bunker, you'll have to get through the final hurdle, a door that will only open for Handsome Jack.
Well, that sounds even worse.
This will be your only opportunity to steal the vault key and stop Jack from controlling the warrior. I'm out of time. Do what you will, but promise me this. No matter what happens, do not allow Lilith into my chambers.
What the hell's that supposed to mean?
If she was luring us into a trap, she would have made it sound a little bit possible.
If we're taking that bitch down, I'm coming. Trap or not.
If anyone's gonna shut her down, it has to be you, soldier. Head to the Hyperion Preserve. I think I know how to get past the first hurdle.
You will help me and I will pay you. It is as simple as that. Some people, who are not me, might consider slag experimentation.
Some people would not be willing to pay you a great deal of money for bringing me experiment results from the Hyperion Preserve. Some people are stupid.
Hey! I have a job of the utmost importance. It's my birthday! I first rolled off the assembly line 7 years ago. Do me a favor and hand out these invites for my stellar birthday bash, will you? And quickly, we're gonna start any minute.
Clap is having a shindig? Hell, I'd go, but I ain't going.
Oh, sorry, I can't make it. Give Claptrap my love, though. My purely platonic love. Don't want him getting any ideas.
You know,
No.
Come on back, buddy. It's time to start the party.
Besides killing me.
get out of my face,
I've set up some pizza and some sparkling wigglers. Just hit that boombox and we'll get this party started. I'm sure everyone just got lost. This place is kind of hard to find. Feel free to mingle with, nobody. There's, some pizza, if you're hungry. Pizza's kind of cold. Sorry about that. Cough. Cough, cough. Oh, right. I don't have lungs. Minion, can you blow into this thing? Maybe liven the party up a bit? Yay! You enjoying the party? Is that job I sent you on going okay? Sigh. Well, I think that about wraps it up. Thanks for coming to my party, Minion. It looks like I bought way too much pizza. So, take some home if you want. That was the best party I've ever thrown!
That anarchy thing looks tricky.
Got some work for you. Shorty must die! That crock blocker defaced one of my catcher rides, and nobody does that except ladies I want to bang and sometimes me when I'm drunk. He's hiding in stalker territory. Go get him!
A few years back, I won 2 prizes in Moxie's Underdome. A chest full of loot, and Moxie herself. I lost the second prize to Jack, and the first to a thief named Carson. I don't care if I never see those guns again, but if you want them, just find Carson in the dust.
Hey, if you're not Hey, feel like solving a murder? I'm the marshal around these parts. One of these gutter quadruplets pulled the trigger on that boy over there. Consider yourself deputized. Ask around at Moxie and Zed's, figure out which one of these identical scum stains pulled the trigger. Otherwise, I'll just have to hang them all, and I don't got that kind of time.
A gutter brother? Oh yeah. One of them barged in here a couple hours ago, demanding safe haven. I told him I couldn't make any promises, and he got bitchy. I had to pull out Ruby and put a few rounds in him. His shield ate the first 2, but boy did he feel the last one. Nobody threatens me in my joint.
Greetings. Do you feel you have too many...
I heard a gunshot a couple of hours back. Naturally, I ignored it until someone came and got me. Well, I found this boy bleeding onto the concrete, single bullet in his throat, and I saw one of these gutter boys running away. And that's all I know right now, more's the pity.
Sure, I pulled around out of one of them gutter boys. I healed him up as good as new, but the little skunk overpaid me. $5,000. You don't need to confiscate that or anything, do you?
All right, if you say so.
Yeah, I did it! I ain't sorry! Why don't...
Man, good job, Deputy. Barlow thought he could snipe an innocent man and get away with it. But that was a long shot. Thanks.
Ah! I want to use them both!
Get over here. Jack blasted my personal safe out of my own store. My most precious treasure could be in the hands of some freeloading bandits by now. Head back to that city-sized hole in the ground and get my safe back.
Hello. Things need... Those crystalists are right bastards, aren't they? Scientific term. If you could find out just what got up the crystalists' collective bum and made them so cross, I'd be willing to pay you a pretty penny. Metaphorically. I'll be paying you a great deal more than a penny. It's just a saying I'm fond of. Off to the caustic caverns with you.
Gonna pick your corpse! Bleed! Oh! Ah! You don't know what being is! I'm gonna tear you in half! Goddamn hurts!
What'd I tell you, suckers?
Keep what few wits you have about you. These mutants are not to be trifled with. Cut them no slack.
little bit rat!
You must communicate with the beasts through the intercom. Should your promises of food satisfy them, they will let you in.
Is that marshmallows and stag urine I smell? Yummy! Come on in, dude! What the hell? You're a...
Exterminate! Oh, yeah.
Excellent. Return to me. I have a large pile of blood money with your name on it. You might assume this to be a metaphor. You would be incorrect.
Hey, you met my girl, Laney? She perfect, man. Blonde, a great body, distantly related to me, great body, but then fridge rats brainwashed her. You gotta snap her out of that cannibalism crap. I don't want to get bit. Bring Laney her favorite flowers and food, and I'm sure she'll come around and stop by. Oh, and if you find any porno mags, I'm just saying if you come across them in a natural accents, just snag those for me too, okay?
Start the clock! I'm going to count every minute Come! See
Robot violence time!
Looking in my face! Start! Hold it!
stop craving human flesh soon as she smells them slices. Why would anyone ever be a cannibal so long as pizza exists? Looks like you got what you need to unbrainwash Laney. That's the word now.
Flowers. Pizza. It is so kind of you to bring me such gifts. Perhaps I was wrong to join the rats.
That's my girl. I knew you'd come back to me sooner or later.
Was that Scooter? Why do you think I fled here? It was the only place Scooter would not follow me with his stupid advances. If Scooter sticks to that ass, you must die!
I'm gonna go ahead and blame who the hell are those little dudes? Laney's been shacking up with tiny folk? That I cannot abide. Wipe those dwarves out, man!
The brother has sacrificed Dribble the The completionist in me is like, yeah!
is unfortunate the mutants could not be tamed. They would have been useful allies.
Thanks again, man! That freaking rats, man! I was this close to finding out what second base feels like. And also what second base is!